you are, suppose if you are starting in a software company or any kind of industry company, what is required generally I'm thinking generalized way I'm saying, you need a one office setup and you need a resource, manpower is required, and you need a infrastructure, hardware, telephones, systems, lights, tables, right? There are different kind of things is required. Suppose in a software companies also, there are different kind of teams are working in different kind of resource providers, right? In software is a one kind of vendor is there, and infrastructure maintenance one vendor is there, and housekeeping management there one kind of vendor is there, right? In the similar way, if you are making any kind of company, you need to think all these kind of informations. You need to think all the financial stability, how much it is required to invest while starting the company. See, simply what I'm saying is, if you don't bother about the infrastructure, if you don't bother about the platforms, if you don't bother about the different kind of softwares and maintenance, if you are using a cloud computing, it is providing all the infrastructures. It is providing all the software facility. It is providing all the platform, different kind of platforms support. Even you are developing any kind of software application, in the later they are introducing a new versions. No need to purchase once and twice. No need to pay the money. Automatically upgradation is happen in cloud. That is one feature. That is a major feature. If you don't bother about the deployment and maintenance downtimes, it will take care by the cloud people. And one more thing is, you can access any kind of place. It is not required to go to office and log in into your system. You can access in our tab, you can access in our mobile, you can access in our system also. That is also one advantage. If what is required for this cloud computing, if you have a best internet accessing in our system, directly you are connecting into the server and you can access the different kind of applications. That is the main advantage of the cloud. Generally, cloud computing is a concept of accessing infrastructure, platform, and software as a service over the internet by paying the each of use of the IT services. There are three services in cloud computing. One is infrastructure as a service, and second one is platform as a services, and infrastructure is a services. Even cloud computing is also, there are different kind of cloud computers are available. One is public cloud, and second one is private cloud, and third one is hybrid cloud. They are maintaining different kind of repositories, different kind of locations, high availability they are maintaining, and they are integrating each and every servers. So this is the cloud computing. This is the cloud is providing these kind of facilities, software as a service and platform as a service and infrastructure as a services. End user point of view, you are seeing the software as a service only. As an application developer, you are using a program as a service. You as a network architect, you are using infrastructure as a services. These services are combined by the cloud computing. So that is the main advantage of the cloud computing. Okay, fine. What is CRM? Why it is calling as Salesforce CRM? What are the CRMs are available in the market? Why we need to learn a Salesforce? Every company is looking at Salesforce. Why? See here, in Salesforce, there are different kind of, not only Salesforce, there are different kind of MS CRM and Oracle. There are different kind of customer relational management frameworks are available. Apart from different kind of frameworks, Salesforce is the one of the best. Why it is best? What is the advantages of this? Main thing is it reduces the cost. It increases the storage capacity. No need to purchase once and twice. If you are investing the registration, if you are investing the what is called, how you are registering a Gmail, how you are registering a Yahoo, like that you need to register the Salesforce and you can access the functionality. Even you are increasing the lot of data or information in our cloud area, it is increasing is very easy. Simple user interface that is well received by the users. And flexibility, no need to install any software and no need to buy any license also. We can access from any locations, not only for single location. That is the one advantage. And low maintenance and low risk also. Salesforce will have multi-tenanted architecture. What is multi-tenanted architecture? See, if you are using a HR management application, if you are maintaining a market-related application, if you are maintaining finance-related applications, it is suitable. Not only specific to one particular kind of applications. That is one kind of advantage. Salesforce is another kind of future is it is giving the tremendous releases. Tremendous way they are updating the different kind of versions depending upon the customer requirement. They are facing different kind of problem studying groups. So they are maintaining different kind of groups. They are maintaining different kind of charters. Based on the feedback, they are quickly releasing the different kind of versions. Every year they are releasing the different kind of releases. One is summer release, winter release, and spring release. In this way, they are updating everything. That is the one more advantage. And it is there are different kind of orders also available in Salesforce. They are separating the works and responsibilities to the Salesforce guys. That is the one more advantage of the Salesforce. Okay, what are the different products of sales? One is I'm giving list here. Number one, Force.com. This is the one part in Salesforce. Force.com is the cloud platform to automate and extend the business by developing the applications. So this is the one kind of part in Salesforce. And second one is Site.com. Site.com, design and publish websites. You can use Site.com. Number three, Data.com. It deals the correct data. You can maintain a different kind of data. And one more, this is only data. It is not a database. If you are maintaining a database, there is another what is there, database.com. And if you are connecting your Salesforce to Hadoop, or if you are using Salesforce to SAP or any kind of language, you can, irrespective of language, nowadays a lot of different kind of languages are popular, right? You can integrate different kind of language through Salesforce by using Apex Exchange. App Exchange. You can use App Exchange, and you can share your product, or you can exchange the developers experiences and everything, or internally you can communicate your organization. You can use Charter just like a messenger. And one more is there is another technology is there, Heroku. Heroku is a cloud application platform. It is a new way of building and developing and deploying different kind of applications, and you are integrating Java to Salesforce or any kind of applications into Salesforce by using Heroku. And one more thing is there, Radian 6. It is a social media monitoring. You can develop any kind of product, and you can publish in marketing, and you can campaign, and different kind of approaches you need to spread the bulk email system, bulk SMS kind of stuff. You can use the agencies. So you can directly connect with the different kind of social medias. So that kind of feature is also added in Salesforce. So in this way, you are using a Salesforce on different kind of applications. Okay, right. Okay, what are the parts are there? Suppose if you are learning Oracle development is there, right? You know Sable, right? In the same way, Oracle is there, Oracle administration is there. In the similar way, Salesforce also can be divided in two parts. One is administration part. They are officially called 401. This is admin part. If you are concentrating admin part, 401 is mandatory to learn. And next one is development part. That is 501. This is a developer part. If you are very familiar with programming skills, or if you are very comfortable in database side, or if you are very familiar with the designing, UI designing components, you can learn developer part also. If you are learning 401 admin part, you are not touching any single piece of code also. It is everything will be screen wise only. Screens only. You are clicking the one screen to another screen, one screen to another screen only. You are setting different kind of settings, administrative settings. If you are a very comfortable logical skills, or if you know any basic programming skills like C or Java or .NET, or even database side like procedures and functions or triggers, little bit knowledge. It is not mandatory, but you have some idea, then you can start the 501 also. That this is also very easy to learn. Okay, right. I will show the login process and will show the administrative content and everything. If you are logging salesforce.com, you can open the salesforce.com. Login to how we are connecting to Salesforce, how to email or Facebook or LinkedIn, the same way you are logging into system. Okay, 1 second. Login. See, login. This is the login page. I'm using my user. Why I'm showing this one? You can understand what is the content, actual content. I'm not in the prepared content. Here I'm showing in practical ways so that you can understand whether I'm suitable for certain part. You can understand that the reason I'm logged into the Salesforce. You are connecting to Salesforce. See here. If you are an administrator, you are not setting any kind of app related stuff. This is the app related stuff. Okay, you are not touching any kind of this area. You are an administrator, then you can use this part, administrative setup. Basically, you are using this kind of stuff. Okay. See, this is the administration setup. You can manage the users and manage the applications. You can create a company profile and you can control the security issues and domain management and creating a templates and workflows and data management and monitoring and mobile administration, desktop application and email application and Google Apps. If you are learning these topics, that is over, administration part is over. And one more best facility is in Salesforce, they are providing different kind of helps, materials also, documentation also. They are giving the free documentations and they are giving the different kind of videos also. If you can go through the videos and documentations, you can aware theoretical part. Okay, why I'm taking the Salesforce training? We are going to show real-time application development. That is the difference between here documentation, what I am going to teach you, different kind of training procedures. Okay, this is the difference. And one more thing is, they are ready-madely giving the different kind of objects also. Suppose if you are developing a marketing agency, you are generating one product, you are marketing different kind of people's different kind of locations, and you need to maintain the campaign and generating the leads. So that is also possible in Salesforce. You can use custom objects. There are different kind of objects ready-madely available. See here, campaign, leads, and you can maintain accounts. You can maintain the accounts details. You can maintain the opportunities. You can put the quotation also, and you can raise the cases. Right? There are different kind of predefined objects are also available in the Salesforce. If you are a developer, you need to learn all these things. These are the topics. These are the topics if you are using as a developer. If you don't want to write any kind of program, suppose if you want to write a programs, you can go to the developer part and you can write the pages. If you want to create pages, you can go to the visual source pages. See, this is the developer console. You want to see the developer console? This is the developer console. See, this is the actual content. Okay, this is the spring and winter and summer releases, and it is showing the logo, Salesforce logo, and this is 2014. This is the latest one. This is the latest content. Okay, I don't want to show the prepared content, right? And one more thing is, I will show one more planning, how I'm planning the Salesforce content. I'm giving you one Excel sheet here.